Hello, Learning Design Challenge. We are TryTo.ai, a technology solution to help neurodiverse people overcome barriers to employment. I'm Christine Irish, and I am presenting on behalf of my amazing team of entrepreneurs, Isabella Hay, Ricardo Anaya, and Matt Mahowald. We all have diverse backgrounds from ed tech to business and computer science, but we came together because we share a passion for education technology and using entrepreneurship to address real user needs and solve real-world problems. Neurodiverse people face many barriers to employment. Even though they make up 15 to 20% of the population, up to 40% of neurodiverse people are unemployed or underemployed. Now, this is not because these people are not qualified for jobs. In fact, many people with autism and ADHD have extraordinary skills such as pattern recognition and problem solving. However, the job interview process and hiring process are not designed to accommodate these users' needs and strengths and can be difficult to navigate for them for many reasons. However, there are many benefits to employers for hiring neurodiverse talent. Companies that make their hiring and onboarding process more inclusive find gains in productivity, boosts in innovation, an improved reputation for their company, and an expanded talent pool in an increasingly competitive market. There are many interview preparation tools, job boards, and educational resources aimed at neurotypical people. However, the needs of the neurodiverse population are different, and there were far fewer resources we found that tailored specifically to that population. In the emerging world of AI interview tools in particular, there is no one we found that is specifically targeting the needs and challenges of a neurodiverse population. We realized there may be a gap in the market, so we decided to conduct some research and user interviews to learn more. In addition to an extensive review of learning sciences, psychology, and neuroscience research, we conducted over 20 interviews with stakeholders across the field, including job seekers, interviewers, HR managers and directors, and managers of neurodiversity nonprofits. Our interviews helped us gain insight into the unique set of challenges that face neurodiverse individuals seeking employment, such as difficulty reading social cues, getting off topic in interviews, speaking too quickly, and making eye contact. We also found that traditional solutions, such as mock job interviews and advice given by neurotypical individuals, aren't very helpful to the neurodivergent population. We realized that there were real needs here that technology could help address, such as a way to practice job interviews and get tailored feedback without having to rely on in-person mock interviews, as well as tailored advice and learning specifically for the needs of this population. We decided to move forward and build some prototypes to test with our users. After testing several iterations of an AI interview practice prototype, we realized that while AI interview tools would be helpful, they wouldn't meet all of the needs of this specific population. So we decided to build out a more robust UI prototype to simulate the experience of a real application that offered multiple solutions for neurodivergent job seekers. Our current prototype includes a far more robust feature set. We customized the experience for each individual user's needs. We offered guided learning modules to help users navigate the entire employment process, and we've improved on our AI interview practice to include real-time video and audio recording and feedback. We also offer community support, and we chose to incorporate job boards with employers offering inclusive hiring processes. We've determined that building a social enterprise would be the best way to help us maximize our reach and impact and scale up quickly. The funds from the Learning Design Challenge would help us bring this idea from a well-tested prototype into reality and help us support neurodivergent learners. We appreciate your time and consideration, and we welcome your feedback and questions.